Okay, so the whole point here is you gotta learn a simple skill, and you need to know four things, and you know them all already. And if I give you either the atom number or the name of the atom, right? So six, if I tell you number six is the atom number, you should be able to figure out that's carbon. Or if I tell you the name is carbon, you should be able to figure that out. From that, all you need to do is find the chemical symbol. That's pretty easy. It's C for carbon. And the number of Audi electrons. Okay, electron distribution, there are 2 in the first energy level and 4 Audi electrons. And you need to be able to do that for any of these atoms, which is really, really simple. Okay, once you know those things, basically all you have to do is know how to draw dots. Now, for me, that's pretty challenging, but for most of you, that will be pretty easy. So I'm going to look at the periodic table. You're not going to be able to see it, but I trust that you can figure this out. So you need to be able to draw dots, and you need to be able to put them in pairs. So you need to be able to count to 2, which I think a lot of us can do. So magnesium is number 12, and the symbol is Mg, and it has 2 Audi electrons. Because electrons tend to exist in pairs, I'm going to draw 2 dots. Okay, and what we call this is the Audi electron configuration, or the Audi electron dot configuration. So it has 2 Audi electrons, gets 2 dots, and they're in a pair because electrons tend to exist in pairs. Lithium is number 3, okay, and the chemical symbol is Li. I wrote these in advance just because you can imagine how messed up I would get. It has 1 Audi electron. Now I can't draw 1 in a pair, so I'm just going to put it here. There's not really a prescribed place or where to start. If I'd put it up there, that would have been fine. Over there, that would have been fine. And the same with these. I always start on the right, but that's just the way I do it. So aluminum has, the symbol is Al, and it has 3 Audi electrons. So 1, 2 in a pair. And now what do? Well, I can't put it in a pair, so I'll just put it up there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this down. Are you impressed that I even thought of that? Because I am. Okay, so now I'm going to carbon. Carbon is number 6, the symbol is C, and carbon atoms have 4 Audi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay. The next is nitrogen. You can figure out the name and the number of nitrogen is 7, right? So it has 2 electrons on the first energy level and 5 Audi electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, oxygen has 6. I'm going to go a little bit faster here just because. 5, 6. Okay, so this is the Audi electron dot configuration. And you should be able to do it. If you can't figure this out, then you can read the notes or you can come to office hours. So bromine has 7 Audi electrons. Okay, 7 dots. And argon is stable. Okay, it has 8 Audi electrons. Okay, so that is the dots section of the lesson this week. Okay, so you must know how to do this. Come and see me during office hours if you need any help or have any questions. Thanks.